If you want swift growth on your page, then make sure you pay attention to all the information that I'm going to be giving to you on this page. If you want your page to grow with speed, then make sure you listen to every single thing that I'm going to be telling you right in this video. One of the best ways to grow your Facebook page and keep it healthy is to get as many page reviews as possible. All right, you must get as many page review as possible to make sure that your page is healthy and it grows very fast. Just wait a minute, I'll be right back. So you must understand that before Facebook will start recommending your videos to people that are not even your followers, there are three things that you must be doing if you want such recommendation. Number one is that you must be creating good and valuable content. Number two is that you must be consistent, and number three, which is the most important factor that I'm going to be sharing with you, is that you must get your page to be reviewed by your followers and those that are probably close to you. You must have enough page reviews for you to get Facebook recommendations. And when I talk about review, I'm not just talking about mere reviews, all right? I'm talking about positive reviews. You must have positive reviews on your page, all right? And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get people to drop positive reviews on your page, and that will attract Facebook to further promote and to recommend your videos to other people who are likely going to be interested. By getting enough page review, your page will be recommended to people that are interested in what you do, and thereby grow your page very fast. All right, so let's get into the video as I show you what you do and how to get your page reviewed. All right, let's get into the tutorial. All right guys, let's go ahead as I show you how to review your page and how to get people to review your page. All right, so the first thing you just want to do first is just to go over to your Facebook. All right, so when you go over to your Facebook, what you want to do is to go and locate the particular page that you want to review. Is that okay? So just go to your search bar. Yeah, all right, so go to your search bar. All right, so I will simply click on my search bar. When you come to your search bar, you can simply click on type the name of the page that you want to review. All right, let's say if you are reviewing your page, you can just type the name of your page, or you can just give the people access to your page. All right, you can just copy your page link and send to your friends on WhatsApp, send to your friends on Facebook, and tell them to go and review and help you review your page. Is that okay? Just tell them to help you review your page. All right, so, or you can, okay, like I said, you can just copy the link and send to them, or you just tell them the name of your page so that they can go and review. All right, for now I'm going to be using name, so I'll just type the name of this page that I want to review. Is that okay? Real life events and more. All right, I'll search. So just search for the name of any page you want to review. All right, so this is the particular page I want to review. Is that okay? This is the page I want to review. You can see it, real life events and more. All right, this is the page that I want to review. All right, so I'll simply click on the page. Is that okay? I'll click on the page. So when you click on the page, it will bring you to the page home. So the first thing I want to do is to click on like. I will first of all like the page. I'll click on like. All right, once I click on like, I will come to this place. All right, it's already following. All right, so I will simply return back. So like, this is my page. All right, as you can see, this is a business page. All right, it is only used for ad. This is my business page. Company page is an event
organization. All right, so this is, you can actually patronize this company. Is an event organization, like I said earlier. Anywhere you are around the east or around the southeast, south, and you're having any kind of event, be it wedding, be it funeral, any kind of event, just come to this page and book a date. All right, if you come here, it's going to take you to my WhatsApp, and you'll be able to send us a message and book a date for your event. Is that okay? So that's it. What the next thing you want to do now is to come to review. Don't forget, what you are trying to do here is to review this page. All right, so I will simply come to this place where it says not yet reviewed. All right, why is saying not yet reviewed is because I have not reviewed it. All right, I've not used this page to review this before. All right, so I'll simply, and I already have 4 reviews. As you can see, I have 4 reviews. You can see that. Sorry, I have 4 reviews already. So I will simply go and review the page. If you go to your own page, you may not see 4 reviews, you might see 0 reviews. If nobody have reviewed your page, you're going to see 0 review, and it is not good to be having such kind of review, 0 review. All right, you must make sure you have lots of review. Like I told you earlier, this page is majorly for ad. It is not a content kind of page. It's only used for advert. So that is why you don't even have much review and you don't have much followers on this page. All right, it is not meant for content creation. It's just meant for business, running advert and all of that. Is that okay? So as you, that is, whether you are using your page for business or you're using it for normal content creation, make sure you have a lot of review on your page. Is that okay? So to go ahead and review this page, I'll simply click on this place. All right, I'll click on it. All right, once I click on it, it is going to bring me here. How are ratings calculated? Ratings are calculated based on reviews and recommendation. Is that okay? They range from 0 to 5. Is that okay? You can influence real life events and more rating by leaving a review on their page or recommending it to your friends on Facebook. Do you see that? You see, if the more recommendation you have, the more your rating goes up. Is that okay? So it is good you have more reviews. Review is the same thing as recommendation. The more you review, your page is reviewed, the more your page rating comes up. Is that okay? So it's very, very important you always ask people to go and review your page. Is that okay? So after reading this, you can just swipe down. All right, I've got you. So what I just need to do is to click on, if you come to this place, say do you recommend real life events and more, you simply click on yes. All right, you simply click on yes. So when you come here, all you just want to write is what were some of the highlights at real life event. So what you just want to do now is to comment, drop a good review about this company. All right, just come and drop a nice review about this page. What is your gain? What have you achieved, or what have you benefited? What do you have to say about the services of this company and page, as it were? All right, so I will just say thank you. Okay, let me start by, I want to, you have to write something very, very good. All right, something very, very good, and also ask your audience, your audience or your friends to write something good as well. I want to say a very big thank you to real I want to say a very big thank you to real life events and more for a great event services that it proffers. All right. uh it proffers. I'm glad to have known this organization. I will definitely recommend this page and organization to my friends and family members that are having events. Is that okay? So that is it. After writing this, you can see what I wrote. I visited your website at www.reallifeevents.com.ng www.reallifeevents.com.ng, and it's amazing seeing your great works. All right, so this is just, they can write as many things as they want. All right, they can write as many things as they want. The more they write, the more your rating comes up. All right, so just tell them to write as many things as they want to write, depending on their experience with your company or with your page. Is that okay? Depending on what page you are, any page at all need rating. Is that okay? They need review. All right, so after they are done writing whatever they want to write, or maybe if you are the one that is reviewing somebody else's page, once you are done reviewing the page, you can just click on done. Okay, I've clicked on done. After clicking on done, you just come here and click on share. Is that okay? I'll simply click on share. So when I click on share, it will bring me here. It will ask me if I want to attach image. I'll simply say no. I'll click on skip. It have started reviewing. It's a posting your recommendation on real life events page. All right, my recommendation is being, all right, thanks for recommending real life events and more. Your recommendation helps friends to discover pages you love. All right, as I have recommended this page now, it will help other people to discover this page. All right, so it's very, very important that your page get enough recommendation. This is the best and one of the best way to grow very fast on, in the online space. All right, the more recommendations you have, the more your growth in the online space. Is that okay? Thank you. I believe you have gotten a lot of insights from this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Is that okay? Make sure you like this video, make sure you share and share through. The more you share, the more you keep blessing people. Invite people to this page. Is that okay? Invite people to follow this page. Is that okay? So that you keep learning and learning and learning. Is that okay? That is what we are here for. We are here to make sure that you learn and do everything that you need to do to make sure that your page is monetized. All right, your page needs to be monetized, and if you're in this page, every guide you need will offer that to you to make sure you don't make any mistake that will stop your page from being monetized. Is that okay? Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Follow this page, like the page, drop your comment at the comment section. If you have any question, anything that is like a problem to you that you want me to help you and solve, kindly drop that at the comment section, and I will be there to reply and give you a commensurate answer. Is that okay? So make sure you always share our videos. Make sure you always recommend people to come and follow our page. Make sure you recommend your friends. Make sure you always share our video, like our page, like our videos, and everything. Is that okay? That is what you are going to do for us in this page. Is that okay? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for following this page. Thank you for following the chronicles, and I will promise to bring you much updates that will help your page to grow and improve. Is that okay? If this video has blessed you, also make sure you recommend this page. All right, make sure you come and review this page. Of course, you have seen the way I told you that you can review your page. All right, so you can simply come and review this page. All right, review the page, review, just type the chronicles, and you come, just go to your search bar, type the chronicles, and it will take you to the chronic, and you to bring you to the page. Or you are already watching the video, so just go to the review button, just come here. All right, just come to just after watching the video, just come to the place where you find this not yet rated. All right, just click on it, and you are going to review the page. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.